did just eat dry Cheerios. Because I can't have milk in the morning, otherwise I get sick. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Did you like that intro? I liked it a lot. Today we're going to the beach with Poppy again. Get excited. And it's actually like warm today, it's not raining I think. Well, it's not meant to. We can maybe swim, but I'm gonna continue eating my dry Cheerios off camera to avoid judgment, and then I will see you guys when I brush my teeth. We made it. I'm walking now, and that was a very stressful drive. I drove here, and I'm gonna get run over. Oh.
Yeah, I'm a bad boy.
Yeah. Hey guys, I just thought I'd pop in here and explain. This wasn't illegal. Basically there's a dog beach, and to get to it you have to like walk across a non-dog beach. So that sign was for the non-dog beach. So we just carried Poppy across the normal beach to get to the dog beach. We didn't break any laws. We weren't gonna get that $1,000 fine. So yeah. Poppy spent the last like 20 minutes in the car. Whimpering and like ing. But we're at Rosebay and she's not happy about it. Poppy! Find some lunch, probably at a chicken place, and yeah, Poppy's walking. Well, no, that's not my... We got our lunch, we got some childbread Charlie's, we both got a beef burger, and then we got some chips and some fizzy drink, and Poppy's not vibing.
That's lamb kuma.
We got Indian for dinner.
Oh!
Do we need to heat the other rice up yet?
We got butter chicken.
No, that's lamb kuma.
Lamb korma.
Butter chicken, naan,
samosas, rice. Hey guys, so that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry if it's a bit short. I tried to film as much as I could, but I don't know how it turned out. So yeah, hopefully it was good, and hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!